Want to start a career in IT, but don't know where to begin? Start from zero. Master the right skills. Get job ready? In this video, I'll take you through a step-by-step roadmap to build your IT career, whether you're a complete beginner or looking to upskill. Let's begin. Before diving into advanced coding, you need to master the fundamentals. Learn HTML and CSS to create simple web pages. Use Bootstrap to make responsive websites easily. Understand Web Essentials, how domains, hosting, and content creation work, and how AI tools can help you generate content faster. Basic design skills. Learn Canva to create logos and graphics. Start practicing. Build and deploy your first simple website. Once you're comfortable with these basics, you'll be ready to move on to more advanced skills. AI and no-code tools can speed up development, but they're not a replacement for real coding skills. AI can assist you, but coding knowledge gives you full control over your projects. No-code platforms like WordPress or Wix are useful, but they limit flexibility when custom features are needed. Understanding fundamentals helps you debug and innovate. Use AI wisely to enhance, not replace your skills. If you understand the fundamentals, you can use AI effectively while still keeping control over your projects. Learning theory is good, but real progress comes from hands-on experience. Build a basic website using HTML and CSS. Develop a full project, including hosting and deployment. Learn WordPress and build at least 2 live websites to understand website management. Work on real-world tasks to boost confidence and improve problem-solving skills. The more you practice, the more skilled and confident you become. Now, let's take your coding skills to the next level. Learn JavaScript fundamentals, loops, functions, and APIs to add interactivity to web pages. Practice making dynamic and interactive web pages that engage users. Explore API integrations, connect applications with services like Google Maps, weather data, and social media APIs. Mastering JavaScript and APIs will prepare you for more advanced web development and app building. It has many career paths. Choose the one that excites you the most. Front-end development. Learn React.js and React Native to build modern web and mobile apps. Backend development. Dive into Node.js, .NET, Java, or Python for server-side applications. Digital marketing. Master SEO, PPC, and AI-driven marketing tools to grow online businesses. UI/UX design. Learn Figma, Adobe XD, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe After Effects to create stunning designs and visuals. Each career path has huge opportunities. Pick one and start focusing on it. Companies don't just look at skills, they look at experience. Build 3 to 5 real-world projects to showcase your abilities. Get hands-on experience in your chosen field. Earn a certified internship completion certificate to add credibility to your resume. Certifications and real projects will make you stand out in job applications. Now, let's prepare for job opportunities and interviews. Create a standout resume that highlights your skills. Build a personal website and portfolio to showcase your projects. Share your work on GitHub, a must for developers. Optimize your LinkedIn profile to attract recruiters. Prepare for mock interviews to boost confidence and improve communication skills. With the right preparation, you'll be ready to land your first IT job. Now it's time to take action. Start learning now. Follow this roadmap step by step. Build real projects and gain hands-on experience. Get certified and get hired. Your IT career journey starts today, so don't wait. Take the first step now. Don't wait! The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Build your future, learn, practice, and grow. Thank you so much for watching this video. Want to level up your IT skills? Subscribe to AspiraSys for expert insights, tutorials, and career tips. Hit the bell icon and never miss an update. See you!